Hey guys, today we're ripping a Topps Allen and Ginter hobby box. It comes with, it comes with 24 packs per box and 8 cards per pack. So we're just looking for any celeb autographs or anything crazy like that. Topps Allen and Ginter is one of my favorite products of the year for baseball because I love all the different people you can get. Even though I'm not familiar with most of them, but it's still very cool. Hopefully we get some rip packs, because those are always fun to rip. Looking for nice rookies too, low number cards, and anything else like that. So let's get this started. So we get lots of packs. It's gonna be a longer rip. Hopefully we don't knock anything over while we're ripping. All right, let's get this started. First pack. We're also looking for the subsets, so you can collect like fish. There's birds. I'll show you more when they come. I can't remember all of them. I think lighthouses as well. There we go. Medruth, rookie. Bergman. This is what I'm not familiar with. These random autographs or random celebrities. Reality TV. Okay. Kerry Carpenter. Love Kerry Carpenter. Oh, we already have something. Oh, we got our autograph first pack. Wow. Hardio Irate. I'm not familiar. I don't know how to say that. Sorry if I mispronounced it. Wow. First pack autograph. That's crazy. Well, we'll sleeve that up. What are the odds of that? I don't know how many autographs you're guaranteed, but it's pretty sweet. All right, it's over here. We have Thom, Steve Carlton, and then Silver Robert Jr., Luis Robert. All right, first pack. Already doing pretty well, have to say. Didn't expect that. All right, let's get the next pack. Beltran. Betts. Chase Young. Memorabilia already. Oh my gosh. What is this? Aaron Judge patch card. Wow. It is game used too. Wow. 2 packs. We're already doing great. Sweet looking card too with the flowers and the green border. Wow. Kumar Rocker and the silver. That's a good rookie. O'Neal on the mini. Is that numbered? Not numbered. And then Wicked Curves. So 2 packs in, we have 2. We have a patch card and an autograph. So hopefully we can keep this luck up. Kind. I'm not sure who that is. Richard Kind, actor. All right. Henderson, Park, Amato, Elena. Lauren Elena. Brett. Yeah, so State Birds. It's one of the subsets. South Dakota. Pretty cool. And then White Sox World Series on this side. So nothing too crazy in that pack. I think the subsets are really cool. I love to collect like all the fish. Jose Devers, Easton, Fisk, Contreras, Boras, Bigo, Berra, and then Royals win the World Series. So we got really lucky with those first 2 packs and then nothing. So hopefully we saw something crazy, but this is a very long one. Here we go. Roki Sasaki on the rookie. Roberts. Hirscher. Horton on the rookie. Nana. Shiny. Okay. Shaw, and then Wicked Curves. Never ripped a Allen and Ginter hobby, so this is first. Cruz, Chung, Turner, Schmidt, Clark, Yount, Winfield, and then Tigers win the World Series. Awesome. Put that over here. Still a lot more packs. 24 packs is kind of crazy. Got Sheldon, Jackson, Sandberg, Bliss, Sagassi, Posey, Park, and then Wicked Curves. No rip card yet. Love to see one. Those are always so fun. Prepon, Alonzo, Munson, Jackson, Michelle Fitzgerald. That's pretty sweet. Celeb on the silver. La Rosa, Bobby Witt on this small card. Fix these piles. Gosh. It's cardboard, so it's like stuck together. Alright, let's go from over here. This box wasn't too bad for a hobby. Came out to be about $190, which is not too bad. As long as you pull something decent. Aaron, Kurtz, that's a good one to get. Halter, Gibson, TJ Khaled on the silver. And then Machado on the silver. Pretty cool. 2 silvers. Here we go. Here's what I like. Northern Red Snapper. These cards are awesome. Let's say we're probably getting close to about halfway through. So far, 2 best cards came from the 2 first packs. So, nothing since then, really. Alvarez, Livy Dunn. Hopefully we can pull her out of. Rice, Sugano. Kilbrew on the silver. Juan Soto on the silver. Merrill on the small card. And Bob Gibson. Yeah, we're about halfway through. The Aaron Judge patch is probably my favorite card so far. That's such a sweet pull, especially out of the second pack. Mays, David, Guerrero, Banks, Simpson, Reigns, Contreras, and then Rangers with the World Series. Hopefully we pull at least one more decent card, and then I'll be fine. Garu, Sorbello, Rushing, Akari, Cruz, Steve Carlton, Clayton Kershaw. And this is the other one, Light the Night. These are pretty cool too. I love lighthouses, so this would be a cool set to collect. Couple more packs. I just want a rip card. That's all I want. Volpe, Long, Amador, Griffey Jr., Cantra, Necro, Telmarte, And then Athletics win the World Series. So we really pulled nothing since the first 2 packs. Of course they do that. Pena, Kuna, O'Neal, Romine, Ichiro, Shenman, Maudor, Wicked Curves, Contreras. I feel like we pulled him a lot. Sale, Smith, Olsen, Terang, Cal, McCutcheon, then Nationals with the World Series. So about 5 or 6 more packs. Hopefully we can pull at least one more decent card. Scherzer, De La Cruz, Lewis, Witt, Seager, Tyler Locklear, Lindor, and then the Wicked Curves. Fix these piles real quick. Lots of cards in this set. And a lot of base cards. Hopefully we can pull a celeb autograph. That would be awesome. Or a cool rip card. Ramirez, Rutschman, Hayes, Drewski, Greg Barnett on the silver. It's pretty cool. Domingo. This is our first silver small card. Now I think we have 6 more packs. I keep misjudging. Just goes further and further down. Ryan, Skeens, Yoshida, Nola, Powell, Allen, Perez, then Rockies win the pennant, sorry. Come on, just one more decent card. Maybe numbered. Norby, Crochet, Moreno, Bichette, Fitzgerald, Craig Barnett, again on the silver. I think we just pulled him. Rookie James Wood. That looks like a variation. Not sure. Barry Zito. Give us a good card. Winfield, Trout, Colt Keith, Fitzgerald, Day, I don't know how to pronounce that, sorry. Tovar, and then Trout. Alright, getting down for a couple last packs. Get something good. Hall. Set this down here. Bryant. Edmund. Mantle. Alex the Great. Okay. Licensed Therapy Bunny. Okay. See, this is why I love this product. Just random cards like this. Puckett, Wheeler, and Phillies win the pennant. I don't know what that card was. One rip card, that's all I'm asking for. Schwarber, McGuire, Gore, Guerrero. Gosh, I'm tired. West Bargman. Reese. Juan Soto. I guess it's not a variation. I guess there's just some that just have that small picture at the bottom. Thought that James Wood would be a variation. Guess not. And then Blue Jays win the World Series. All right, second to last pack. Let's get something good. A Boogie with the hoodie. Okay, it's pretty cool. I didn't even know he was in this. Yeah, Hines. Correa. Gibson. Arfin. Furman. This is new. Doesn't even have a name. 1 of 1. We just pulled a 1 of 1. That is awesome. Wow. Was not expecting that at all. Cade Horton. What a card. Wow. Wow. I was not expecting that at all. Second to last pack. All right. Last pack. Please be something. I mean, can't really complain. Pulled a 1 of 1. Aaron Judge, game worn patch, and an auto, rookie auto. So, Godino, Ryan, Spawn, Rollins, McGreevy, Precio. Oop, cards are falling. Tendy, and then Red Sox win the World Series. That's it. Wow. So, hits were first pack. Wow, that's a really sweet card. I love how these look. 20th anniversary. Hario Arate, I don't know. Second pack. So back-to-back. Aaron Judge, game worn patch. So cool. And then second to last pack. Cade Horton, 1 of 1, mini card. Awesome.